Good morning everyone, this is lesson 3, the volume of a pyramid. Let's start by reviewing the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is given by the following formula. The area is half times the base times the perpendicular height. Let's watch this video to see when we change the shape of a triangle, how the area changes. At this point, we are changing the shape of the triangle. The base is 5 and the height is 4. The area is calculated as 10. Notice that the area doesn't change as we change the shape. The area is still 10. Now we'll change the length of the base and we'll change the height of the triangle. The area becomes 30. Now we'll change the shape again. The height remains 6, the base remains 10, and the area remains 30. Any triangle with the same base and perpendicular height will have the same area. In a similar way, the 3 periods below all have the same volume. This is because they have the same base area, which is shown here, and they also have the same perpendicular height. So these 3 pyramids have the same volume. We will choose the third one for the next demonstration. This is a visual proof of the formula for the volume of a pyramid. Think, how many pyramids of equal size could you fit inside this cube? Is it 2, 3, or 4, or possibly more? We know the formula for the volume of a cube as V equals L cubed, where L is the side length. Therefore, we can find a formula of the pyramid if we know how many pyramids can fit inside this cube. This is our visual proof. How many pyramids with the same base area and height will fit into this cube? Let's see. This is our cube shown. We move it around. We can see that it's a cube. Inside our cube, we put one pyramid. Let's look at it from different angles. Now we put in another pyramid. We move around and look. There is still some space left. We put the final pyramid in and we can see the cube is all filled up. So we can see that 3 pyramids will fit inside the cube. In this section, we'll discuss the formula for the volume of a pyramid. The following formula applies to all pyramids, so it doesn't matter what the shape of the base is. The base could be a square, a rectangle, a pentagon, a hexagon, etc. We will use a cuboid as an example. The volume of a cuboid is the base area times the height. So that is x squared times h. Those are shown in the picture. As we showed, 3 pyramids of equal volume will equal the volume of the cube. Therefore, 3 times the volume of the pyramid equals x squared times h. Therefore, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 x squared h. In general, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the base area times the height. Now let's do some examples. Find the volume of a square base pyramid with base edge 4 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. Label the diagram first. As mentioned in the question, the length of the base are 4 centimeters each, it's a square base, and the height is 7 centimeters. Write the formula for the volume of a pyramid. V equals 1/3 times base area times height. Therefore, the volume is 1/3 times 4 times 4 times 7. The volume is 1/3 times 16 times 7. And we calculate the volume as 37.33 cubic centimeters. Here's another example. Find the volume of the hexagonal base pyramid with base edge 3.5 centimeters and height 13 centimeters. Label your diagram again. The height is 13 centimeters and the base edges are 3.5 centimeters each. Write the formula for the volume of a pyramid, which is 1/3 base area times height. Substitute your numbers. 1/3, the base area of the hexagon is 3√3/2 times the length squared, which is 3.5, times the height, which is 13, and that's calculated as 137.91 for the total surface area. Here's another example. Find the volume of the following triangular base pyramid. The diagram is already shown. Let's first calculate the area of this base here. As we can see, the base is a right angled triangle. So the base area is half times the base times the height. So in this case, we'll put 3 as the base and 4 is the height of that triangle. So the base area is 6 square centimeters. Now we'll calculate the volume of the pyramid. Write your formula again, 1/3 base area times height. Substitute your numbers. 1/3, the base area we calculated as 6, the height is 11, and the volume is 22 cubic centimeters. Here's another example. A rectangular base pyramid has volume 308 cubic centimeters. The height of the pyramid is 11 centimeters, and the width of the base is 7 centimeters. Find the length of the base. Start by drawing and labeling a diagram. The side we want to know is the length, and we label that as X here. So the height is 11, the length is 7, and we want to find X here. Write the formula for the volume of the pyramid again. 1/3 base area times height. Substitute in the values we know. The volume is 308, so put that here. For volume, 1/3 base area. The base area is 7 times X. It's a rectangle. Times the height, which is 11. So rearrange your equation. We'll give you 308 equals 77 on 3 times X. 3 times 308 on 77 will give you 12 centimeters for the length here. The length of the base is 12 centimeters. The last example, a square base pyramid with volume 0.784 cubic meters has a base length 1.4 meters. Find the height. Again, draw your diagram. Label X as the height. We know the base dimensions already. Write the formula again for the volume, which is 1/3 base area times height. Substitute in the known values. 0.784 is the volume, 1/3, the base area, 1.4 squared times the height. By rearrangement, we'll get x is 3 times 0.784 divided by 1.4 squared, which will give you 1.2 centimeters. Therefore, the height of the pyramid is 1.2 centimeters. Okay, good luck and have a go at the questions in the book. I'll talk to you next time.